Hello everyone, this video is about how to make section drawings in AutoCAD. So there are various ways in making section drawings or section views in AutoCAD. So one of those is using the command view base. So type view base and then select this one. So this is our drawing in our model. This is the front view, the right, left, top. So okay, so let's say for example we make a section view out of this drawing. Let's say for example this top view. So what we can do is just select this drawing and then go here in section, so you can select whatever type of section you want. Let's example default section. Let's say coming from here, so wherever the arrow is pointed, that is where the part will be left to be shown in the section view. So for example this one, so automatically this is already the section view. Now this section line sakto na siya, but naana siya diri hatching, this one, and the annotation. So this is the, I think this is the annotation. So this is the AA section. So the scale of this is 10:1. So you can also delete if this is not needed in your drawing, especially if the label is, this is not the standard label that you need in your drawing. You can just delete this one. Now this hatching, of course you will set this one into the standard properties. Okay. This one. Okay, so this is our section view. You can delete this or just move it. Dali na kayo. Okay, now that's how easy it is to show the section view of this drawing. Now let's say for example another, for example I will make another view. Okay, excuse. Sorry, nag-try ko something, wala pa ko nasulayan. Tanawin ko kung siya resulta. dito kung i-click section. So what I am doing right now, I am testing kung pwede ba siya automatic makahimo o if it is possible to make a isometric drawing that is in a section view. So as you can see right now, dili man siya mahimo. So dili gid pwede. Is that possible? I don't know, maybe na ko wala na buhat, but for example so let's say for example we will make an isometric view. So pwede may section automatic sa project. So it is not possible. Anyway, magamit ra magina ninyo. This is the easiest way to do the section view. Now the next one we're going to do is using the flat shot command. So let's go to the let's change the interface into 3D modeling. Now go to solid, na aron po siguro na siya dito. Tara section, pwede ra solid na aragawan na dito. Anyway, so this one section plane, and then type the section plane you want. You can draw or you can use the orthographic view type, because what I want to do here is just to make a full section view out of this drawing. I will just click the orthographic. Now I will choose front. This is the front. So front. Okay, so this is the section plane. Now using the section plane, so as you can see, it is already in section view. Now what I am going to do is just select this plane here and then right click and then generate section 2D or 3D block. Now this will prompt generate section / elevation. We can make a 3D section or elevation. So here using this one, makaya mo natag 3D section, the isometric drawing that is in section view, and then includes all objects, select objects to include. So if there are a lot of objects here in your drawing, you will, if only one of those you want to make the section view, just select this and then select the object. But there's only one, I will just use this one, include all objects, and then insert as new block. Same raga po na siya last time, or replace, but kanila sa itong gamitan, insert new block. Okay, section settings. Ano siya ang mga settings, yan na natin ilabtan para madali ta. So you can try all of this here. Okay, then what else? Create. So enter enter. So this is a block drawing. Let's see at the top. So you can explode this, or you can just edit it. This one in the block editor reference, or in the reference edit. So I will just explode this one to make it easier. And just this. Change the scale 0.05. Let's say for example, continuous. Ano na yun na ni? Let's check ang ano na to. Okay. Supposedly, di na siya visible dere. Hindi na siya. But what happened is that continuous gapon na nakutang. Why is that? Okay, dere man good sa itong front view. As you can see, if we will change this one to the 2D wireframe, as you can see, this part here ganito rin ano siya nakita na to. Ano siya, so this should be hidden line, right? But wala siya na hidden line, kita na layo edit na. Okay, so there are times kinahanglan siya kinahanglan i-manual ninyo i-edit, hindi siya automatic na hidden line na siya. So change the properties whatever you want here, and then that's it. Mao na to. And then you can delete this one if di na nyo gananglan. So this is the section view using the flat shot. Let me try lang po da. Pwede ninyo hindi ninyo palayo na ng video, or kung ganahan mo pwede ra. Sulayan ako siya sa dire. Siyempre tabo. Naaba ni. Section plane. Nani niya. So dari gitu. For example, hari ko dari. Ako na isang section. Say orthographic. So for example, this one I will reserve this one. Reserve solid proof. Sol proof. Yes. So let me see. Let me hide this object here. Let me just delete the section plane. kaso to siya na center ganiya di ay. O dito ang section plane na to ganiya, mao nakita ni siya. It's because wala to siya na center battery, na center magid siya. Mao wala siya nakita. Okay? Mao to siya nito po. So center gina ninyo kay that's the proper way of doing it. So pwede ra gid siya mag section diri. Because wala pa man siya hatch, of course what you'll do is hatch this one. Hatch. And then say okay. So kanara, and then set your drawing kung sa inyong properties nga kinahanglanan ini. I think that's it. So those are the things you can do in making section views in AutoCAD. So if you have other ways to do it, please don't hesitate to share it so that many would benefit from it. Okay? If you have questions, suggestions, or whatever concerns gusto ninyo, please do share it with us. Okay? So maura to? Ano diba? So that's it. I hope you learn valuable things on this video para po sa inyong activity naman. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.